Say, we will pass salute because if we don't pass salute, we will know say we are there. So one come next time, then we go know, so we don't see we are. And we glad plenty, we not be no say association be there from boss like this one. So, but now we will know. Let me say we two the one go now with the member for her say there's so some 500 people there for your way. We two if you can to come visit again. We salute even that handshake. We salute so. For sure say we love una, and for sure say even we not get forgive una, we get our love, we get our heart there for una, and we will take and two for prayer as we go. We the one come for this group so we now my father-in-law will be there for that side, so we start some group too for people the way they make other things there. Before I talk say I want learn for know whether people like this then there for this side too. Come here the day for society. People where they get like a little bit of difficulties like a wheelchair and so on, then too they need encouragement for no say all things come on for God not be so. Not so. Say well, no man no with the see person where the work like me so small time one go tomorrow so you knock your food now all that no. So one say now small itches for skin, but with the one for talk say una no say we like una and we say all man gets you on time. So we wanna be happy as well when I did so. I'm glad for see una plenty, and I'm glad for no say at least association don't day where they gather like now so. So we will continue to gather. They make sure say as time they come out see wait today they will feel help to maybe so. Anything where we day where we see them. If we catch small cricket, no we go run calm. If we no catch them, now why that we know the calm. But even if we no catch no cricket, we can see calm cancel una so. How me and mommy don't salo for day. I don't see mommy, I don't holy. My heart don't touch me plenty. I don't look mommy need the see, mommy need the hear. Me and mommy don't hold na that's so hand. But that hand where I hold mommy so no be feel and to say I know as I know fit talk, you know fit see me. But me mommy know to say God will talk you know they didn't for some heaven, they didn't for we say so we were there around. More with the look at each other, more with the love each other. Okay. With the run that so because we one come way road be bad. Then we know so we don't wait plenty tire, and as road be done bad, we can to the tombo, the push them for road. But we can't reach as when I see motor dirty for this so we try and say we will at least try go reach before that method we. And I want to tell when I say sometimes them for me, my name is Victorine Gamsha. Where the worker where I get plenty like I did like plenty people them way so far don't touch them hard. I did like them plenty. I did one day with them because so far too don't touch my own heart. And I know what it means for be so far. Maybe not for when I own any man they get it on no. Because different hand they not be the same. So I did want for make a move when I know say as I the work as well they can't see una. Now we go though. Now we Papa God where I the prayer. Because as the prayer goes to some people they don't begin things say I the work as so I be some government person, I be some person where he just did do things them not lie. Because all things where I get and God give me. And I believe say if person don't get difficulty, no matter how hard it is, even a big thing, a good thing, suffer go come that so. And if you get bad thing or you suffer, make you know say you suffer so God never close eye. And some of we did cross that part them, plenty time them. So I like una too much, but I don't get. I get my like, I get that love for my heart, and I know if I know for feet love una so I know for stand for you. I want come so. Some person we can a very important person now. Some Reverend Father this, Father Frank, stand up, make they see you fine. Now Father Frank this way, he don't dare for when self. So now he carry we drive the motor say way, he for road, bring me, say my cancer. He then shows say I the work at two with the get people for back where they prayer for we. So one for thank you, and that's all na picking. He dey Cameroon, I know they Cameroon. If it be say something happen, God give we something. Father Frank will always come as he don't come before, no be so. Some will clap for you where you don't drive motor for Baga Road. You can't get for you. Thank you, Father, where you don't bring me for you. So. And then I want to talk say this woman when I say I'm so. When I don't go me so I don't go enter aeroplane, I go for the place where they live. Now this woman the day Cameroon, now he get all things. Now he go come back and see una,
Yeah.
And this woman this one a nurse, he be like doctor. So it is so it check sickness. For sometimes we get sick where we get malaria, we get other sick, we know the no.
Yeah.
So we work with that sick for skin sute it can big where if we be see and quick we treat them. This woman this so day in a Douala and he name na Laura Micah. He don't work with me for 3 years and he don't do big work. Since we have been start for you, he don't form woman organization them. We don't set library them for Basso the number 2 library they come. We don't do plenty things them. But like God is picking them, we still try our best, maybe say we get. But as we try with the open our hands say, Papa God, if you give we go run go give people where they need them too. Like other person be taken where we be need them, they can't give we. Because me at this one I be get money too. At this one I be suffer so day before I go to school. At this one my mommy and papa they be don't die. I see mommy talk for this say my picking they be don't die. All man be don't die now. His sister begin to take the look with. Oh, we so get story them. Any man get the story, any man get the story, any man get the story. But that story they meet, they no disturb with. When they want disturb, when I'm gonna look and say, like this when I'm picking where I stand for you, so I don't go through, I don't go get problem. I see my sister then die, so stay, my brother then die. We remain only with small. I work, I no get money for go school. I go beg people. So when I picking them too, what they did for here. Sometimes picking the finish for school or class 6, we dey look at money no day, we don't know what to do. So it go fine for always send that picking, make a whole person in hand. It Becky, he say you feel help me. No, me the moment I know just she don't say when I on don't finish. When I dey talk for people, when I see person the pastor, when I hold them, when I talk, when I salute, when I say we this so we live day. Because no person for the ground they will go be crazy me should for wheelchair. Not true no. No person know they will go be crazy say me should don't you know get one food. But then even as this thing they happen, when I see this so God still life when I'm gonna not forget, Because if God not be life when I didn't think and so one day say we you know get na skin cell, food, skin all thing don't go. Someone will remain for stay positive as Englishman the talker and all of you give when I say I be don't make this T-shirt then where I be think say if I don't get money, plenty money for give una for chop. If I give una money when I go chop, you go finish, If I give una anything, you go finish. But if I give una my love and my talk where I don't talk and so when I go remember no. Sometimes when that life come you the tumble you go remember. Then I be think say okay, ma give una this T-shirt them way. If una wear it maybe like 1 year and 2 days, 3 days before it can sour. When I throw him, when I always remember say that woman will be there with that thing so he be give with the clothes or wear and so now the maker with the member he. Then when I pray too for me as I with the prayer as I dey go, me God he give we more who will always come back. Okay. So for Enam, the people who come with them, this speaking where is standing for yes, so now my first speaking where in him na Melanie. This one so, and then I guess or other 3 picking the way they stay for their papa, and then this one na so my picking where I made to be there so they play music too much. So as I like for dance when they play I dance. I say me enter moto come to Waka. So when I clap for them they don't come follow me. We come when I playing so more will give when I this one from our heart. Yes, when I hold on so. And then we go leave when I start run go quick. For Sika say we get the next rendezvous and now Laura Micah he go come now can check again. He go report for me where till he go on
Remember we not forget. Go give you go pan walk. Before you listen up. With the people then. Before you cancel. Maybe this will cancel. Ah, got you.
So as we know say when I plenty we don't read for lead.